Hey everyone, have you ever found yourself juggling client communication, appointment scheduling, and invoice management, feeling like you're constantly playing phone tag or chasing down payments? It's a common headache for many service businesses, right? We all want to make things easier for our clients and ourselves, to streamline those interactions and free up time for what truly matters: growing our business and delivering top-notch service. Imagine a world where your clients could log in at their convenience, see upcoming appointments, approve quotes, and even pay invoices, all in one secure, easy-to-access place. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? This isn't just about convenience. It's about building trust, improving client satisfaction, and projecting a professional image. When clients feel empowered and informed, they're happier, more likely to rebook, and more likely to recommend you to others. That's the power of seamless client interaction. So, let's cut to the chase. Does Jobber, the popular field service management software, offer a client portal to make this dream a reality? The short answer is a resounding yes. Jobber absolutely includes a client hub, which is their term for the client portal. This isn't just some tacked-on feature. It's a core component of how Jobber helps businesses manage their client relationships more effectively. Now, let's dive into what this client hub actually is and why it's such a game-changer for service businesses. Think of the Jobber Client Hub as a personalized online portal for each of your customers. It's a secure, self-service area where they can interact with your business on their own terms, 24/7. No more waiting for business hours. No more phone calls for simple inquiries. This empowers your clients and, crucially, frees up your time and your team's time. So, what exactly can your clients do within this magical client hub? Let's break down its key functionalities. First up, and perhaps most importantly, quotes and approvals. Imagine sending a quote to a client. Instead of them having to print it out, sign it, scan it, and email it back, they simply log into their client hub. There, they can view the detailed quote, ask questions directly within the platform, and most importantly, digitally approve it with a single click. This significantly speeds up the sales process, reduces friction, and gives your clients a clear, professional way to move forward. Plus, you get instant notifications when a quote is approved, so you're always in the loop. Next, we have scheduling and appointment details. How many times have clients called to confirm an appointment time or ask about the specific services scheduled? With the Jobber Client Hub, all of this information is readily available. Your clients can see their upcoming appointments, including dates, times, and even details about the services being performed. This transparency reduces no-shows and eliminates those pesky confirmation calls, giving your clients peace of mind and saving you valuable administrative time. Then there's invoicing and payments. This is a big one. Clients can view all their past and present invoices, download them for their records, and, most conveniently, make payments directly through the portal. Jobber integrates with various payment processors, allowing for secure online payments. This means faster payments for you, fewer outstanding balances, and a much smoother payment experience for your clients. They can pay whenever it's convenient for them, without having to mail checks or provide credit card information over the phone. The Client Hub also serves as a central repository for job details and work history. Clients can look back at previous jobs completed for them, see what services were provided, and even review notes or attachments related to those jobs. This is incredibly helpful for recurring clients or for those who simply want to keep track of the work done on their property. It also acts as a fantastic reference point for both you and your client. Beyond these core functionalities, the Client Hub also facilitates communication. While it's not a real-time chat, clients can often send messages or inquiries related to specific quotes or jobs directly through the portal. This keeps all communication organized and linked to the relevant work, preventing information from getting lost in email threads. Now, let's talk about the benefits of having such a robust client portal. For your clients, it's about convenience and control. They get 24/7 access to information, empowering them to manage their interactions with your business on their own schedule. It builds trust because they feel informed and in control. For your business, the benefits are even more profound. Firstly, there's a significant increase in efficiency. By automating tasks like quote approvals, appointment confirmations, and payment collection, you free up your team's time. This means less administrative burden, fewer phone calls, and more time for your team to focus on revenue-generating activities and providing excellent service. Secondly, it leads to faster payments. The easier you make it for clients to pay, the faster you'll get paid. Online payment options within the Client Hub drastically reduce the time it takes to receive payments, improving your cash flow. Thirdly, it contributes to reduced administrative overhead. Think about the time spent on sending out invoices, chasing payments, answering routine questions, and confirming appointments. The Client Hub automates much of this, directly impacting your operational costs. Fourthly, it improves client satisfaction. Happy clients are repeat clients. When you provide a convenient, professional, and transparent way for them to interact with your business, they're more likely to be satisfied with your service. This leads to higher client retention and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Finally, a client portal enhances your professional image. It shows that your business is modern, organized, and committed to providing a seamless customer experience. This can be a significant differentiator in a competitive market. So, yes, Jobber absolutely has a client portal, or as they call it, a client hub. It's a powerful tool that transforms the way service businesses interact with their customers, bringing a new level of efficiency, convenience, and professionalism. If you're using Jobber or considering it, leveraging the Client Hub is a no-brainer for optimizing your client relationships and streamlining your operations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.